It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner and you are struggling to write a good English script, or if you are an expert in English writing, you need this tool which I am going to show you in this video. First of all, you need to go to the description of this video and download this free tool by clicking this link. This link will take you to this page, and this tool which I am recommending is the Grammarly. It is an online grammar checker tool, an AI powered writing assistant. You can download this for your browser by clicking it here, and I'm going to show you subsequently that it can be used in your Microsoft Word and other apps. Also, once it is installed, you have to log in with your email account, and once you're logged in, now whether you are writing your English in a Google Docs as an assignment or an essay or a blog, or you are updating your status on the Facebook, or you are tweeting on the Twitter, it is going to help you and correct your spellings and other things which I'm going to mention right now. In this window, I can see that it is telling me that there are 5 issues with my text. So I'm going to click this, double click this, and it is going to open a pane towards the right side. And here on the top, as you can see, that this tool helps you in correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. The free tool will help you in correctness. For example, I'm going to click this, and as you can see that there is an issue with the spelling of the weather. For the sake of clarity, the punctuation tips, the passive voice, active voice, and the clarity of the sentence, whether it is a short or a wordy sentence, it will give you in the premium version. While the free version of the Grammarly will help you in spelling, grammar, and punctuation, while the premium version will have everything which is in free. In addition to that, it will help you in tone adjustment. It has a plagiarism detection. It will give you the different word choices, formality level, and the fluency and other advanced features. You can buy it from here by clicking this Get Started, the premium version. The pricing is $12 a month for the premium version. So you must install this free tool at least by clicking this link which is in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.